Hi, I'm Marcus Garcia. I'm currently serving in active duty in the United States Marine Corps, and I am a GCU student, currently a freshman. Um, my goals is to become a history teacher for middle school and high school for middle school and high school students soon. And the purpose of this video is to respond to the three disposition note questions. So, number one, what dispositions do you possess that you think will make you a successful teacher? I answered as in that I possess the disposition of reflection, since I think that no one's perfect, and I really wasn't the best student when it came to school. So I think that reflecting on my past grades definitely helps become. It helped me in the past as a student, and I feel like that me being an educator in the future can helping, like, let's call it, if I use reflection to tell my students where they went wrong, is can help them in the future as it did help me. And with number two is, what dispositions do you need to work on before you enter a classroom as a first year teacher? I answer this as the disposition that I need to work on is professional conduct, since it's I don't know how to explain it, but it's like since I don't have much experience as teaching, like, at all. I'm only really familiar with coaching peers in the throughout my workplace, and so, but I definitely know when to be like professional wise in a sense, because the military. But it is like being professional from like a educator to student standpoint is definitely where I can I can work on, because there's essentially like a time and place when to be relaxed and when to be professional. And I feel like being a first year teacher soon, like that'll be a important skill to work on, so you don't break any of the moral code of ethics. Okay, moving on to question three. What qualities should professional educators should display? I put that qualities that an educator should display is curiosity and dedication. So what curiosity means to me is that you get the class to think more, and when you do that, both the class and the teacher are more engaged in the lesson, which can benefit the students' learning, and also benefiting the educator's teaching style and how it could improve in the future. I'd have teachers in the past who would be like super into the lesson and like so excited to teach it, and like that would actually get the class going. And then I believe it was a sociology class where it was a pretty interesting class that I took in high school, and it basically made it we would have like discussions like before the lesson, and that would really get the class engaged, or at least some of the class members. But it's all about I guess that part. And another quality that I also said was dedication. So dedication means that they're committed to the class in a sense that they want the student to succeed, and they don't and like they yes, they care about the grades, but the student's priority is more of a priority than the grades. Since I had some teachers in the past who, like, let's say I was out for like a field trip, or like just I was just out sick for a couple days to maybe a week, and then I would have my teachers, they would just let me catch up with makeup work. Like they gave me a good amount of time, and because they knew what situation I was in, and they gave me that extra boost to like help me succeed, just a bit more time, to work on assignments. And it was also that looking at my notes. But yeah, no, it's like, I guess, like some other teachers, I guess, if like they only care about the grades and not the student, which I guess it works in some circumstances, and especially in college where they don't want to waste anyone's time. But I feel like that a teacher should care more about the student in sense so they can succeed. And because in my opinion, I feel like that if you only care about the grade and the student drops out, that means another student drops out and you're not helping them succeed in a way. So that is my answers or my responses to the disposition notes. And yeah.